small children and our sister who lost her life. I first of all would express my deepest condolences to all of you for the demise and the death of the little children and of your daughter and of your younger sister. It was a very tragic incident that happened, and on behalf of the government, we are all here to share your sorrow and also to support in whatever way possible to help all of you get through this very, very difficult time. From the government side, as has been mentioned by the Honorable MLA, that there is an ex gratia amount of 4 lakhs per deceased, which will be amounting to a total of 20 lakhs. And the BDO will sit with all of you, the family members, and decide on how we should move forward. But the sanction from the government side has been done, and we will be giving the sanction letter to you.
Video di sini.
Apart from that, I am aware that the entire road connectivity in this region has been affected, and even before that, the road connectivity was bad through the plain areas. And you are aware that we as a government have sanctioned the road, and I'm also happy to inform you, there was a bridge point. The bridge over Kasimara area. The bridge will be also sanctioned in the next few days, and we're hopeful that that bridge also, the construction of that work will start very, very soon. And once the Kasimara bridge is done, that will also help the people of this region and of this area, and I'm sure that that will be a great connectivity for the people of this region. Kamnamba bachinga, diba yana agrepa. Singa laismani leya nam chomot kepa dolong yan Kasimara ni dolong ya dolong ko regnaba daw ya antisa ba antigni ni gisepo singa tangkapesa ko sanction ka atken aro ya kamrang ko ba gija sumeni gisepon ya Kasimara dolong ko regna kamrang ko ba apatsin atken aro ang tande bibera ya ramako aro dolong ko machodri japmano ya area ni manterang na men tak sakan yung gin ane ang tande bibera. मेरे प्यारे दोस्तों